Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy a PitJupiter token on TrustWallet, and it's pretty simple to do. All you will have to do is go to your TrustWallet when you downloaded it, and after that, for PitJupiter token, you will need to have a BNB coins on your TrustWallet, so you can either buy it like this by clicking buy and BNB. But TrustWallet has higher fees than, for example, Binance.com, so you can also buy BNB coins on Binance.com, and I will leave the link in the description below for 5% deposit bonus for you. And after that, you will need to send the money, to send the BNB coins from Binance to TrustWallet. So you will click on receive. You will click on BNB, you copy this link, you paste it to your Binance, and you will send the money to your TrustWallet. After that, you will need this browser button, and if you don't see it, you will need to go to your Safari and paste this link and click on go. I will leave this link in the description also for you to copy, and the browser button will appear for you. And after that, we need to go to BCC Scan to see the PitJupiter, that it has the contract with Binance Smart Chain. If it's for BCC Scan, it's for Binance Smart Chain. So I just copy the contract address because we will need it to buy this token. So after that, you need to go to PancakeSwap because for BNB coins exchanging, you will need to use PancakeSwap. After that, you connect your TrustWallet like this. After that, you need to be on exchange section right here, and where it says select token and select currency, you're gonna paste the address we just copied. And here's the token. Just make sure to go to your settings right here, and that the slippage tolerance will be 11% or lower, but not higher. And that's it. That's how you can buy a PitJupiter token on TrustWallet. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and take care. Bye.